You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Look carefully. Where is the cabbage? Where is the broccoli? Where is the tomato? Please like if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the cucumber? Where is the bell pepper? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.